I just wanna dance among the stars. These after hours got me charged.
Channel. If you're new here, my name is Summer. This is my first of hopefully many Halloween looks for fall 2018, or I should say Halloween 2018. I absolutely love, ooh, you see this gold flake coming off right here? That's so disrespectful. I'm just gonna rip them off because he doesn't want to be on there anyway. Anyway, this is the look that I came up with today. It honestly is super easy. It would be easier to do off camera. I do have to admit, it was a little bit hard to do on camera, but I do love that the way it turned out. I hope you guys try out this video. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know any other Halloween looks you guys would like me to try. I love being creative and trying out new looks. So anything you have, I'd love to give it a go. I will also link everything down below if it's linkable. The kit that I got from Amazon, the gold leaf, Michael's, so everything was super easy to get and inexpensive, which is awesome. So if you're looking for a last minute or just easy Halloween makeup to do, this is the one for you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel. Like I said, a lot more Halloween videos coming and just a lot more videos in general. I do makeup, lifestyle, and fashion. So if you're interested in those things, I would love for you guys to check out my other videos. Without further ado, let's get into this video. All right guys, I pulled my hair back so we can go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to be using for the zipper is this zipper kit that I actually purchased off of Amazon. I think it was around like $9. It really was inexpensive, which is super cool. So it comes with white and black makeup if you wanted to do a white face with like darker eyes like they show in the pictures. It also comes with blood if you want to do a bloody zipper face. And then they also include the glue and then a glue remover, which is really nice because who knows how hard this is going to be to get off. But anyway, it also comes with two little sponges and then this little brush right here. So I'm going to go ahead and bust this thing open and we're going to get started. So once you pull the zipper out of the packaging, this is what it looks like. You can actually adjust it. So I just measured my face, so this is the perfect length for my forehead, which is where we're gonna place it, and across my face. And then this is the glue, and then this is the little brush that came with it. So it has a pretty defined tip, which is good because we're gonna need that to put the glue on. So what I'm gonna do first is cut off the edges that come with the zipper, because we don't want those just hanging off. You want to be able to just get the edges as close to your face as you can. All right, so now I'm gonna apply the glue to first the zipper, and then I'm gonna slowly apply it part by part. So I'm gonna start at my forehead and then I'm gonna bring it down probably to right here, stick on the zipper, and then do one side and then do the other. So I'm gonna open the glue. And since the glue is a little bit runny, I'm gonna dump it just into this little container. Okay, once we got some glue in there, I don't know if you guys can see it. Leave that to the side. I'm gonna dip my brush into the glue. Get a good amount on there. And then I'm going to just go ahead and put the glue directly on the zipper. All right, I have that one layer done. And I'm gonna take some glue and I'm just gonna do one straight line down my forehead. Once that's on, I'm gonna grab my zipper and I'm gonna place that right where we put that line. Okay, now I'm gonna work on the left side of my face. Dipping back in with that glue. I'm just gonna try and follow the line here. You can kind of see where it's gonna sit on your face. Press it down for a few seconds. Make sure it's sticking on there good. I'm just gonna go in and hold it down for a few seconds to make sure everything's sticking. All right, now we are gonna go to the gold leaf. So I picked up this gold leaf from Michael's. I believe it was also around the same price as the kit, like $8. So it's just called Premium Gold Flakes. I just asked someone there if they had any gold leaves, and they said they took me directly to where it was. So this is 0.1 ounce or 3 grams of gold leaf. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and then we're gonna start putting this on the inside of our zipper. I changed my mind, guys. We're gonna do our makeup first because once we put the gold leaf on, I know it's gonna be kind of hard to talk. So let's just jump right into foundation. I'm gonna be using my Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I'm just gonna put that on the back of my hand. This is in the shade 206, which should be my exact shade right now. We'll see. This shade is a little dark for me, so I'm gonna mix in a little bit of the shade 203 to lighten it up a bit. Just be gentle when you're working around the areas where the zipper is, and go ahead and put it on the inside too. And then I'm going to take a bit of my ColourPop concealer just to brighten up the eye a little bit. And this is in the shade Fair Neutral. Alright, for our eyes, first I'm going to prime them with the same ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I'm gonna pick up my Morphe M244 little flat brush and just blend that in. Alright, now that we've prepped our eyes, let's go ahead and do some quick eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with the Lorac Gold palette. Don't know what that was on the front. And I'm gonna pick up the shade Undeniable first. And I'm going in with my Morphe M433 brush. I'm just gonna pick that up and I'm gonna put it in the outer corners of my eye. Next, I'm in with my Morphe M518 brush. I'm going to pick up the shade Unwind, which is that next darkest shade. I'm just going to place that right on top where we put Undeniable, just to deepen it even more. I'm going to put that one a little bit lower so it's in the crease. Alright, for my lid, I'm going to actually mix two of the colors. I'm going to mix Unlimited and Unleashed because those two colors match the gold leaf the best. So this one and this one. And I'm just grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This is just the one that comes with the palettes. I'm using this end right here. And I'm just going to dip into both colors. and we're gonna place that right on the lid. Alright, once we have that gold color all across the lid, I'm going to deepen the eye just a little bit more. I'm going to go in with Unedited from the same Lorac palette. And my Morphe E17 brush. I'm just going to pick some up, tap it off, and just deepen the outer corner. Alright, let's go ahead and put our lashes on. I'm going to be using Cara Lashes number 43 for our lashes today. This is what they look like. They're kind of falling off because I've used them before, but this is them. Super wispy. I like how they start out short in the front, which is the inner corner of your eye, and then they get longer towards the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on real quick. All right guys, I popped on some lashes. Now I'm just gonna go in with a little liquid bronzer. This is my LA Girl Cosmetics Pro Conceal. This is in the shade Beautifully Bronze. And I'm just going in with my MAC 100 brush, and I'm just gonna blend that out. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Smolder pencil, and I'm just going to put this on my lower lash line. Well, more so waterline. Next, we're just going to do a layer mascara on the bottom lashes. I'm going in with L'Oreal's Voluminous Original Mascara. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I absolutely love this bronzer. And I don't have my bronzing brush, so one sec. Alright, got my brush, I'm back. This is my e.l.f. blush brush. Say that 3 times fast. I'm just going to pick up some of this Give Me Sun bronzer and just chisel on my cheekbones. For highlight today, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This is in the shade Precious Petals, and I'm grabbing my Sonia Kashuk brush. This is the number 129. I'm just going to dabble in that. Highlight these cheekbones. Alright, now that we've completed the face, it's on to the fun part. The gold leaf. So it looks like it's already kind of broken up. It just comes in a little baggie like this. My phone's ringing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Duo eyelash glue, and I'm just gonna start placing that down in the area where I want to start placing gold leaf. So we're just gonna do little sections at a time. First place the glue, then place a little gold leaf. So let's start this. I'm gonna start from the chin, and I'm gonna work my way up. Alright guys, that is it for today's tutorial. As you can tell, it's very hard for me to talk right now. I feel like if I move my lips at all, this might fall off, but it is very secured. I do recommend hairspraying your face, especially this area, after you're all done. Like if you're gonna wear this on a night out, you're going to a party, like definitely hairspray it so you don't have gold leaf falling off. Also, side note, the gold leaf was a lot harder to work with than I thought it was gonna be. It just like sticks to your hands a lot, so just beware, okay? Because it can get a little messy. You can get gold flakes all over you and stick into your hands, and it rips really easily. So just so you guys know. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this Halloween tutorial. I will hopefully have a few more coming up. If you guys have any ideas or recommendations of videos you would like to see, more geared towards Halloween, let me know. I would love to try them out. I love challenging myself and just trying out new creative looks. So let me know if you guys like this video by giving it a thumbs up down below. Also, make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.